Well, guys, one of the easiest way to actually optimize your business for SEO is to create a content on YouTube. This is not a joke. The easiest way to rank without paying for ads on Google search is essentially to create a video about the topic of your business, the product or your service. If you create a content, if you create a video and you had a long tail title, which for example you could be a real estate agent, right? You can create a title which explains that this is the apartment in this area, this is the number of rooms, this is how much you're going to pay for. You include everything in the title, you're going to get ranked almost at the first 5 results. This is why the easiest way to promote your business is to create a YouTube channel around your business. So in this video, guys, I'm gonna show you the new community that we started, trying to help not only individuals but also businesses who try to start their own YouTube channel, to create content around their business, and essentially to rank and skip a lot of the costs associated with paid advertising. So if you come over here at the YouTube Creator Academy, our community on the Skool platform, which I have a link pinned under this video, you will find a bunch of information that is related to the first steps that you should take. We're having plenty of courses, we are having events, but let's focus on the first steps that you could undertake by coming over here and taking the first course, which is the Getting Started on YouTube. This is very important because YouTube recently changed the algorithm, so all the information that you previously heard or know, it's kind of irrelevant simply because the algorithm now pushes a very small channels that have started recently. YouTube changed the barrier to entry, it lowered some of the standards, so a lot of people from other countries actually joining, which will increase the competition. So when more people are joining in, YouTube is forced to change the algorithm, so it will let chance for the smaller new channels from the other countries, right, to have views. So you want to make sure that you change the way how your current YouTube channel is organized, or how you're going to set up your brand new YouTube channel. There is a new elements that you should follow. The settings that YouTube currently requires you to have on your channel are simply crucial. So you want to come over here, you want to open this course, and you want to make sure that it is only 3 modules, right? We're not talking about 20-50 pages useless surface level information. We're talking about 3 modules where you essentially follow the steps. You open 2 screens on your laptop. One will be with the Skool community over here, and the second one will be on your YouTube channel settings. Then you follow the steps and you set up your channel for success. This will help your visibility. Your videos will always appear on the search results. Your videos will be grouped with other videos in the same niche, which means if tomorrow somebody is looking for, let's say, real estate in Canada, and your videos, because you set up your channel correctly, your videos will be grouped with other videos about real estate in Canada, so you have higher chance to pop up. If your channel is not arranged, organized, and have the right settings, your videos might not end up being grouped with the right type of content, which means that the right audience will not see your content, not see your videos, because YouTube identifies that your content is irrelevant. So this is why, guys, you want to make sure that you stay up to date with the changes, with how YouTube operates now and how pushes the smaller channels. If you have some experience but not so much success, you can still change those settings by simply coming over here, reviewing the information and following the steps. Because at the end of the day, it's all click of a buttons. You need to click here, you need to click there, you need to change how your channel essentially interacts with YouTube, because YouTube generates data and source from your settings. If your channel is not optimized for monetization, you're not gonna get monetized, right? If your channel doesn't follow the guidance, you're not gonna get accepted from the YouTube partner program. If you don't create your good titles, and if you don't optimize, we also have SEO mastery course over here. You simply have no chance If you don't optimize your title and description for search engine optimization, you're relying on 1% luck, because 99% of the requirements that are required either by Google or YouTube for getting your video ranked or served in front of the right audience, you're simply relying on luck. And luck, it's not something that you can rely on. So this is my advice over here, guys. You come over here, you go fast through the 3 module of getting started on YouTube. You change your settings, you arrange your YouTube channel. You have everything aligned with the algorithm updates, right? Then you can move on, and then you can move to the second step, which is essentially completing the process. We have also 3 modules of the SEO mastery. So over here, you can change in bulk all of your description, all of your titles, all of your tags. We're showing you how to do that. It will take you a couple of minutes. It's very, very easy. Then you want to make sure that you're doing your research. We're showing you where to look and how to extract valuable information that is valid now, not information that was valid a couple of years ago or a couple of months ago. Everything that was prior to the actual upgrade of the algorithm is less likely to work. So we are going to help you to identify which information will be valid right now, that you can use right now and get your channel off the ground right now. We're not trying to give you or teach you something that maybe might work. We're not sure, right? We're giving you stuff that obviously already are working. We're managing a number of different channels. We've been doing this for many, many years, hundreds of thousands of dollars in revenue from YouTube. So you want to make sure that you're getting the right information and you're applying it before other people actually learn about this. Because like I said, there are more and more people, more and more channels. If you go and Google the statistics, how many new YouTube channels are created on a daily basis around the world, right? Hundreds of thousands. So what actually makes the difference between getting monetized, making money, and getting 0 views for 6 months in a row? It's simply knowledge. What do you know that other people don't know? So again, guys, go ahead. Let's not lose more time of explanation. Just come over here. If you're interested, if you're an individual or business owner, you want to start a YouTube channel or you want to level up your game on your current YouTube channel, come over here, join the community, link pinned under this video.